Stop. If you're thinking about buying ClawPilot AI, there's something you need to know first. This isn't just another marketing tool. It's the world's first AI CEO plus 12 specialized agents working together inside one dashboard, running full campaigns for you automatically. No monthly fees, no technical headaches, no juggling 10 different apps. You log in, give one instruction, launch a product campaign, and your AI CEO instantly breaks it down. Delegates tasks to 12 agents and delivers everything: content, funnels, emails, social posts, videos and lead generation. So here's the big question: is ClawPilot AI really the future of autonomous marketing or just another overhyped launch? In this review, I'll show you exactly what ClawPilot AI is, how it works, who it's for, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth buying. Plus, if you decide to grab ClawPilot AI through my link below this video, you'll also get my exclusive bonus package worth $599 absolutely free. What is ClawPilot AI? It's a complete AI marketing department in one dashboard. AI CEO agent that plans and manages campaigns. 12 specialized agents: content writer, SEO, funnel builder, email assassin, video creator, chatbot, lead gen beast and more, cloud-based, beginner-friendly interface, commercial license included. Benefits: why people are interested. Automation: one instruction, right pointing arrow, full campaign delivered. Cost savings: replace $500 to $1,200 per month in tools. Commercial license: sell services to clients and keep 100% profit. Scalability: run multiple campaigns without extra effort. Lifetime access: pay once, use forever. Inside ClawPilot AI, you're getting full OpenClaw online access, autonomous AI CEO agent, 12 plus specialized AI agents, smart delegation system, one dashboard workflow, complete task automation, blogs, SEO, funnels, emails, images, videos, leads, commercial license included and 30-day money-back guarantee. Honest pros and cons. Now let's talk honestly. Pros: complete AI marketing team, not just a single tool, beginner-friendly, no technical skills required, unlimited campaigns, unlimited niches. Commercial license for agencies and freelancers, one-time payment, lifetime access. Cons: no guaranteed income. Results depend on your niche and effort, requires clear instructions for best results, best suited for marketers, agencies, and entrepreneurs ready to scale. Results: what to expect. Expect faster campaign launches, more consistent output and multiple income streams. Agencies: deliver funnels, emails, and social campaigns faster. Freelancers: offer copywriting, lead gen, and video services. Entrepreneurs: build faceless businesses powered by AI. ClawPilot AI replaces your entire marketing department with one autonomous system. Now here are my exclusive bonuses if you grab ClawPilot AI through the link below. Bonus: 1 DFY campaign prompt pack. Value: $299. 500 plus ready-made prompts to instantly generate client-ready campaigns. Bonus: 2 AI agency profit blueprint. Value: $300. Step-by-step guide to monetize ClawPilot AI and scale into a full-service agency. Total bonus value: $599. Yours free when you get ClawPilot AI through my link today. So, is ClawPilot AI worth it? If you want to stop paying for multiple tools and start running complete campaigns with one instruction, then yes, ClawPilot AI is absolutely worth it. Click the first link in the description to secure ClawPilot AI plus my $599 bonus package today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.